piece of equipment is for back extensions. You have one adjustment back here to adjust the height for taller or shorter folks. Right now I have it set to my particular height. What you do is you're going to take your feet, you're going to place them back on this plate. You want the cushion to be hitting you right above the ankle. The cushion on top needs to come just about to the top of your quads or the top of your leg. Just take, you can do many variations with your hands. You can reach up, you can cross them over, flies, depending on what kind of variation you want to do, but primarily this exercise is for your lower back and the glutes. So come on down like so, come back up in the motion, give it a nice squeeze. The bottom of the motion, of course, you don't want to completely relax your back just to protect it. You want to keep a little constant tension on there. Once you're done with your reps, grab hold of the handles, step off, come on, up, and take a little break. This is a horizontal back extension piece of equipment. The way this one works, it's a little bit more aggressive than our other 45-degree angle back extension. But you come on into it like so. Pads go to the very back of your ankles. Pads here need to go at the top of the quads once again, very similar to the 45. Cross them up, come on down, extend up, give a nice squeeze, and repeat. Now, of course, when you get done with your set, just grab a hold of your handles and step down. All right, next we're on to the abdominal and back extension machine. So the way that you operate this machine is you come in, have a seat, place your feet up on the foot bar there, and the first one we're going to do is actually for the abs. So for the abs, we're going to be pushing forward. So you get a nice flex in the abdominal wall, and you come back, and you just repeat this motion. Now this particular piece of equipment also has weight stacked to the side here, and it goes, once again, with one selector. There's no dial on this one, just one selector, and you can move up in weight as you feel stronger and stronger and more confident in this particular lift. Now, the other use for this machine is for the back. So what you would do is you would take your pin here, as I just did, take it down, place it into the desired hole so that you can put your feet back up on the bar again, reach forward, and then what you do is you're going to be pulling back. Just like so. Now, on this piece of equipment, you also have an adjuster for the whole foot bar here. So if you're a really tall guy, you can take it all the way to 5. If you're a shorter individual, you can take it down to 1. But you want your legs in about a 90-degree position. You don't want to be all crunched up like this. For somebody my size, at height, this would be too high. So for me, I'd be sitting right about a 3. So your legs are in a position where there's a slight bend in them. Grab a hold of the weights once again, and just come back until you're against the seat, and then forward again. Our next piece of equipment is our multi-hip machine. This piece of equipment can be used for the buttocks, the IT band, and it's quite useful. First exercise I'm going to show you is how you would set up for an IT band exercise. It's a muscle that runs from the side of your knee here all the way up into the hip. So what I like to do is take it over to about a number 2 on the dial up here. The dial here adjusts. To get that to number 2. For my particular height, I'm all the way down on a number 5 for this adjustment. This also adjusts up and down. And then the third piece to adjust before you get started is the plate itself that you're standing on. Right now I've got it set on about a number 3. So you just come into the machine. This goes right above the knee on the side of the leg. And you're going to come up, take your leg to the side. Now, after completing your reps on that side, of course, you just pull the pin, adjust it over to the opposite side, step on the opposite side. You're going to raise up once again. Like I said, that's a little exercise you can use this particular machine for your IT bands. So this is our next piece of equipment we use to train the glutes, also known as the buttocks. So the way that this guy adjusts is you have two adjustment settings, one for the foot plate and then one for the plate that you'll actually be standing on. I have this one set up from a particular height. So once you select your load from the weight stack over here, you're ready to go. So you just step onto the plate, lean over the first pad, put your foot on the foot plate, just kick it up. Once you complete your 12 reps, just switch feet and kick it up. This is our abductor machine. The way that this guy works is it works out what's called your IT band, the outside of your leg. To get into it, you just have a seat by the side, take one foot over and the other, and after selecting an appropriate load, you just take and spread your legs apart. Just return to center. This one's fairly simple, not too many gears, not too many adjustments. Just select the load and go for it.